Mga loves, ito yung garden ng alaga ko. Yan, mga garden niya. May mga bonsai din siya na mga bulaklak na bonsai ito. Dami yan dito, ngayon ganitong bulaklak dami dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Pero mahilig siya talaga mag-ano ng bulaklak. Mag-alaga ng bulaklak. Ito. Yan. Ito ang ano niya, garden niya dito sa farm. Ang ganda. Ito. May ano po, oh. May nest sa ano. Laki ng cactus, oh. Ito ang cactus area niya. Yan, daming cactus. Cactus. Daming cactus. It's a 5 years. Ang ano daw ng cactus, 5 years old na siya. Ganyan na siya kalaki pag 5 years old. Haba age for cactus. May tub din siya. Dati pag punta ko dito, ano pa to, maliliit pa to. Sobrang liit pa ng cactus. What's that? What's that? Tab to dito dati. Oh, magano sila. Diyan sila magluto-luto. Yan. Have a turtle hair. Maybe have a turtle hair, Hamad. May turtle yan dito dati. Ha? What? He's a big now?
Yes, a very big one.
Wala?
How
How many pieces here?
5.
5? Too much, huh? I can't see. Are you sure? Have a turtle? Maybe here. Because have a small.
Put your hand.
Yes.
Well, if you put your hand, he's gonna bite it. When he bites your hand, this one,
Hala. It's gone? Nah. Didn't you go to the hospital, huh?
Sure, to bite your finger, خلاص.
Yeah. I try to wake up this one.
No.
Turtle.
No. He's gonna bite it off.
Oo. Feed the food.
No, but why I put it there?
Don't go there.
Okay, why cannot go outside?
They're eating.
He's eating? He's a food. Naglinis ako ng pool ng... No, I cannot see because the water is very dirty. Huh?
If you want, I'll tell Uncle Fred, don't do anything.
Yeah. This is your turtle, huh?
Go on.
Your turtle? Too much, huh? Wallah. Bye mga loves. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.